Hi, my name is Rezi. I'm with Did You Say Lipstick, and I'm an independent distributor of Senegence products. And I bet you have been wondering how you can extend the life of your climate control. This is by far one of my favorite products that I sell, and I want to get out every last drop. So what I typically do is I will scrape it out the bottle and go like this. But once you've gotten to the very end, you can actually turn it into a spritz bottle for your Foops remover. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take the Foops, and to activate it, you actually mix it up together, and then I'm going to pour that into my bottle. So then that way I can get all the goodies off the side of there, and that way I can use my Foops into a spritz bottle instead of into my hand. And as you know, this product can go a long way. So I'm actually going to only put some of my Foops into here because I'm going to use the rest of it in this bottle, so then that way in case somebody wants to use it like that, they can. And then for the rest of it, I'm going to put it into my climate control bottle. And now I'm going to shake it up so then that way it mixes all together. If you notice, it becomes this beautiful blue color. And now what it's doing, it's taking all the product off of the sides, and I've actually turned it into a makeup remover. And if you can see, I still have this morning's Bella on, so I'm going to go ahead and spritz a couple drops onto my face. Oh my God, it feels so good. Smells so good. I'll let it sit there for a couple of seconds. Make sure that I got some on my lips. And Foops is one of the best products. And then I'm just going to rub it in. And since this is climate control, it's actually moisturizing my skin while taking my makeup off. So let that sit there for a couple more seconds. And then put it into my lips. As you know, Senegence and lip scent stays on pretty well. And then I'm just going to take it off with my wash rag. And so you can see product is actually coming off. And my face is moisturized. So, for those of you that, like I said, want to extend the life of your climate control, because as we know, when it starts off, it's in this beautiful blue, but then you can turn it into makeup remover. So, use your Foops, use your leftover climate control. Again, look, shake it up. It's going to take off all the product off the side of there, and you now have a makeup remover in a spritz bottle and moisturizer. 2 in 1. All right, guys, did you say lipstick?